Hello students, today we will discuss the question series, important question series for NEET, that is part 4, and we have already discussed the part 3. So this is part 4 of sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Sexual reproduction in flowering plants. So this is the question series number 4. So here we will discuss first question. Question number 16. Filiform apparatus is characteristic feature of. Filiform apparatus is characteristic feature of characteristic feature of A option generative cell, then B option nuclear embryo, C option that is alleuron cell, and D option that is synergids. So in this question it is clear that we have already discussed in our previous class videos. So this filiform apparatus, which is found in the wall of the two synergids, and in between this the egg is ovum is there and two synergids, and they form the egg apparatus. So this synergids possesses this, and which guides the male gamete to fuse with the ovum. So very clear answer. So this is the answer is synergids. This is the embryo sac, and what we have already discussed in our previous videos. So then question number 17. In angiosperms, microsporogenesis and megasporogenesis. Microsporogenesis and megasporogenesis. Microsporogenesis and megasporogenesis. First option occurs in anther. Second option forms gametes without further division. Forms gametes without further division. Then C option involves meiosis. And fourth option occurs in ovule. So this is very important. You have to first underline microsporogenesis and megasporogenesis. Microsporogenesis mean for the microspore or the pollen formation, and this is for the ovum formation or the megaspore. So very important thing is that both the processes, male and female, so all the options does not fit, but here the important thing is that this involves meiosis. involves meiosis. So meiosis is the reductional divisions. You know that both the cases the reduction division should be there 2n, then it will gives rise to the n, and this meiosis has very significant role in the maintaining chromosome number constant and important role in the sexual reproduction. So this involves meiosis is common characteristics for microsporogenesis as well as megasporogenesis, but all other are not fit to the answer, so they are rejected, and this is the correct answer. In 18 number question, Jejunogamy involves first option fertilization of a flower, fertilization of a flower by the pollen from another flower to the same plant of the same plant. Fertilization of flower by the pollen from another flower of the same plant. B option, fertilization of a flower by the pollen from the same flower C option, fertilization of a flower by the pollen from a flower of another plant in the same population. D option, fertilization of a flower by the pollen from a flower of another plant belonging to a distant population. So this is important that first of all we will discuss what do you mean by jejunogamy. So in our previous class also we have discussed jejunogamy is single plant and two different flowers involved. So suppose this pollen from this flower falls on this is stigma of this flower of the same plant, single plant is involved. So this is called jejunogamy. So here this is fertilization of a flower by the pollen from another flower of the same plant. So this option is correct and other are discarded. So this is the same plant must be there and two different flower of the same plant involved. So this is for that this option is correct. So next question is question number 19. The pollen tablets are available. Pollen tablets are available. Pollen tablets are available in the market for A option in vitro fertilization, B option breeding programs, C option supplementing food, and D option ex situ conservation. So this is a direct questions. Pollen tablets are very rich in energy, so automatically the person who consumes more energy, particularly the athletes, they mainly use them. So this is a supplementing food. This is a supplement or food supplement. This is the correct answer. Then the 20 number, this is last questions. Function of filiform apparatus is to filiform apparatus is to A option recognize the suitable pollen, recognize the suitable pollen at stigma. B option stimulate division of generative cells, C option produce nectar, and the D option guide the entry of pollen tube, So this thing we have already discussed. You know that the filiform apparatus I have already discussed and also discussing again. This is the egg. Here the synergids are there. The wall of synergids contains the filiform apparatus. On the pollen tube enter and ruptures two male gametes and one male gametes, mainly guided by this filiform apparatus to fuse with the ovum. So out of these options, so this is guide the entry of pollen tube is the correct answer, and all other three are rejected. So dear students, you must write every day 5 questions of the chapter, practice it, and this is a slow steady process by which you can get your 100% performance in the particular topic.